In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a store using Google and Big Cartel. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type in Big Cartel Website Builder. This search will bring up the Big Cartel official site link, which we need to click. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Big Cartel, let me explain. It's a popular website builder that's designed with artists and creators in mind, allowing you to easily set up an online store with minimal cost. After clicking the link, you'll arrive at the Big Cartel homepage. Here, you'll see a prominent Get Started button. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can choose from different plan options. For this tutorial, let's select the free plan. This option gives you a fantastic way to try out Big Cartel without any monetary commitment. Once you click on the free plan, you'll be prompted to enter some vital information. You'll need to input your shop name, which is the name customers will recognize your store by. Alongside this, choose a shop URL, preferably something catchy and relevant to what you plan to sell, as this URL will be your online address. Make sure it is both memorable and easy to spell. Enter your email address and create a password. It's crucial to choose a strong password for security purposes. Remember to agree to the Big Cartel Merchant User Agreement to proceed. Next, you may opt to receive emails with tips on selling online, product updates, and opportunities to have your shop featured. If this sounds beneficial, click to subscribe. Finally, click Sign Up to create your account. After signing up, you'll see a button that says Let's Go. Click it to continue setting up your store. You'll be asked to enter your personal name, which helps personalize your store's setup. Following that, a short survey will pop up. This survey is designed to tailor your experience, so answer according to your preferences. Now, patience is key here. You'll have to wait for a verification email to land in your inbox. Once it arrives, open your email, find the message from Big Cartel, and click Verify your email address. This step is essential as it confirms your identity and ties your email to your new store. Now you've successfully created your online store with Big Cartel and are ready to start adding products, customizing your site, and growing your online presence. Congratulations on taking this big step, and thank you for following along with this guide. Be sure to check back for more detailed walkthroughs and tips on making the most of your new online shop.